Hey guys, what is up YouTube? This is Adiar and welcome back. So recently I haven't been uploading on YouTube for a while, almost like a month. And you know, cause I'm a student, I have to handle studies and examination as well as YouTube, which makes it a pretty tough job.
What are you trying to say, dude?
So as I was saying about uploading, I'll try to be really consistent and upload as fast as possible. And yeah, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to make this awesome gaming banner on your Android device for free. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, I'm in Pixel Lab. Now just edit your text. I'm just gonna be writing my Twitter username. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. Now I'm just gonna make the size a bit bigger and just mess around with the padding. So the font that I'm gonna be using is Nexabon. The font will be in the description box as well. Now once you got that done, click on the plus option at the top to get another font layer. Now edit it, and I'm gonna be writing my Instagram username. You can write any social media username you want. Now just change the font to Nexable and mess around with the padding and the size. And yeah. Now make sure you make the background transparent and export the image in PNG form. Now once you got that done, select any of the layer and write the social media app or website you are using, or the username you use from the social media background. For example, if you're a Twitch streamer, then write your Twitch username and select that layer and write Twitch, which is a social media app for streaming games and all stuff. And the font that I'm going to be using for this is Evergrea. Okay, now just export to the gallery and we are heading to Photoshop Touch. So guys, now I'm in Photoshop Touch. Now just make a project of dimensions 2560 by 1440. And I need to tell you guys that I will not be commentating on this video because I have a sore throat. So just bear with me guys.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No. But as the night draws near,
BOMBA. BOMBA. BOMBA.
So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you liked it, and I want you guys to know the fact that all the stock images and the gaming background that I use in this video will be provided in the description box, so don't worry about it. And I also wanted to tell you guys that I've used Shoki's logo in the banner and put my username, so don't write any comments regarding this topic. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.